Today on Uncovered, we'll explore how engineers move giant buildings. Throughout history, communities have faced a monumental challenge. How do you relocate an entire stone castle or historic cathedral weighing hundreds of tons without causing a single crack? Instead of tearing down historic walls, engineers use mechanical physics to roll massive buildings to new foundations. Moving a building isn't just about raw muscle power. It is an incredible puzzle of structural engineering and physics. When rivers flood, coastal sea levels rise, or ancient stone foundations require major repairs, tearing down landmark architecture isn't an option. Engineers must figure out how to lift a structure, support its entire weight evenly, and slide it across the ground safely. By studying how heavy forces distribute across steel supports, modern engineers and traditional builders can shift giant buildings across long distances. This process saves historical treasures while protecting fragile architecture for generations. At the heart of building relocation is a concept from physics called rolling friction. Sliding a heavy object across flat ground generates tremendous friction, requiring immense energy and risking structural damage. However, when you place cylindrical rollers between the building and the ground, sliding friction turns into rolling friction, which requires significantly less force to overcome. In Japan, traditional builders call this technique Hikiya. By aligning dozens of smooth rollers along parallel tracks, engineers allow massive wooden and stone structures to glide forward with surprising ease when pulled by ropes or pushed by hydraulic pistons. You can picture how building relocation works by imagining a heavy bookshelf in your bedroom. If you try dragging a loaded bookshelf across a carpeted floor, it digs in and refuses to budge. But if you slip a row of round wooden pencils under the bottom frame, the bookshelf rolls forward with just a gentle push. Engineers scale up this exact principle when moving a castle keep. By distributing thousands of tons of downward weight across hundreds of individual rollers, no single point on the building experiences destructive pressure. Weight distribution keeps brittle stone walls intact. The relocation process begins with careful preparation beneath the building foundation. Engineers place heavy lifting jacks beneath the building base to establish stable support points across the perimeter. Next, synchronized hydraulic cylinders lift the entire structure off its foundation, raising the heavy walls several inches into the air together. Once elevated, rigid steel beams and cylindrical rollers are installed under the walls to construct a flat rolling carriage. This structural framework ensures the building stays completely level, preventing wall cracks as the structure transitions from stationary ground to mobile support tracks. Once mounted on rollers, the actual movement phase can finally begin. Hydraulic rams or teams pulling ropes push the structure along smooth rails, gliding the building forward inch by inch. As rollers exit the back of the carriage, workers move them to the front to maintain a continuous rolling path. Finally, after reaching its destination, the building settles onto its new permanent stone base. This step-by-step mechanism allows communities to shift massive historical landmarks across dozens of meters while protecting ancient craftsmanship, completing a seamless journey from old foundation to new home. The real-world impact of building relocation goes far beyond impressive mechanical engineering. When historic structures face natural disasters, soil erosion, or urban development, moving them preserves priceless cultural heritage. Demolishing and rebuilding an ancient castle or cathedral loses centuries of authentic craftsmanship and historical identity. By combining ancient methods like Japanese Hikiya with modern hydraulic monitoring, engineers can rescue iconic buildings from collapse. Preserving architecture connects communities to their history, allowing future generations to visit original historic landmarks in person. You can test the physics of building relocation right at your desk today. Try pushing a heavy hardcover textbook across a textured tablecloth, noticing how much force your hand needs to keep it moving. Next, line up 3 smooth round pens or markers underneath the book and push again. Notice how effortlessly the textbook glides as sliding friction transforms into rolling friction. Seeing how simple cylinders distribute weight helps you appreciate how engineers relocate multi-ton buildings across entire city blocks using basic mechanical principles. Quick check! Here is my question. What traditional Japanese building relocation technique uses rollers and steel rails to move historic structures? Hikiya. Moving giant buildings shows how clever engineering and physics can protect historic architecture without destroying ancient walls. By placing heavy structures on cylindrical rollers and steel rails, builders transform sliding friction into smooth, rolling motion. Next time you see a heavy object roll across smooth wheels, remember how simple rollers can carry an entire castle. It also shows how engineering can preserve the places that make a community feel connected to its history. Hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss a new Uncovered. That's the story behind how engineers move giant buildings. Stay curious, stay kind.